Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. This is my weekly Forex analysis and forecast for the week of 22nd, 26th November 2021. I hope you've had a very nice trading week, and there are several great opportunities that I see coming for this week, and some of them I would like to share. But a quick one right before we start and jump in the charts. If you are new to this channel, welcome to our fantastic community. And I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Just follow the subscribe button below this video. And please remember to enable the notification so you know when there is a new content available for you. And also I would like you to invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club. And you can find the link to do so below this video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. And also I would like to ask your help. If you find this video helpful, useful, educational, and you would like to see more of these videos, then please hit this like button below the video and also leave some feedback in the comment section. Your help is very much appreciated. It takes a few seconds of your time, and it's a big help to me and this channel, and that's, you know, all the algorithm behind YouTube. It will be a great help, so thank you very much in advance. So what do we have for this week? By the way, the previous week video we saw some great movement on the pound yen as expected, both to the upside and then flip to the downside. And if you missed this video, then right now on the right top corner of this video, you would be able to find direct link to watch it, or just find it in my channel, the previous week analysis. For this week, I will share two opportunities here in this video. That will be the Euro Aussie and the oil. So the first one is the Euro Aussie. It's kind of a follow-up to the previous video idea. So as we discussed, we would like to see a further bearish continuation, and the way that the price is moving, here is what we got. So we did break below this important low. The bears seems to be in control right now. The only disadvantage at that situation is that the move down is so far just two lower highs, two lower lows, not a full control by the sellers at the moment. So there are two ways around such situation usually. The first one, we will go and complete like the deeper ABCD correction here. So the market would be able to complete its divergence and then make the move down. Or the second scenario, which is also very likely, is we are just developing some sort of temporary consolidation before the break and the creation of a new low. I would pay attention to both scenarios, of course, but sell the rallies is yet my plan here. Very important one to pay attention to is this trend line, the previous high, of course, and this massive volume area, as we can see, and the previous broken high. So we have several highs here in a row, this and a slightly bigger one. As long as they hold, this is the most important area from my point of view. As long as these highs hold, sell their rallies is my personal view on this pair. And the next one I would like to share would be the oil. So by the way, the Euro Aussie is a follow-up for previous week, still one of my top watch list. And the next one is the oil, and why it is so interesting from my point of view, it's basically two main factors. Starting from a very high time frame, here is what I see. This high from the monthly chart is now being cleaned. All the stop losses around that have been cleaned. But the very interesting situation here is that the weekly completes a bearish divergence here on the moving average of the MACD as well as the RSI. Besides that, the last two green candles of the up move are broken down. We do have lower lows, and we do have 4 following bearish candles on the weekly chart, while the last one gains a serious momentum. When we go to the lower time frame, what do we see? The market does build lower highs, lower lows, and there is no ending divergence at the moment. There is a massive volume area expecting the market here. And the way I see that, there is more to go to the downside. So every pullback that will take place should be an opportunity to ride with the sellers as they maintain their control. And the reason I think they maintain their control is because the first leg down was 3 gaining waves, then ABCD correction, and now we're still in a gaining wave here. As you can see, no ending divergence anywhere. So from my point of view, there is more to come, and every rally should be an opportunity to join the sellers in what's supposed to be a short mid-term bearish phase, corrective phase to the weekly chart. There are many more other opportunities I have on the watch list, which I believe should deliver great opportunities during the week. And if you would like to follow all these ideas that are delivered to you real time, including a real-time educational video, I invite you to join our trading family, the Traders Academy Club. And the link to do so is, as I mentioned before, below the video in the description or in the pinned comment. So that's pretty much it for this video. 2 opportunities that I wanted to share with the community. All the rest, I invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club, enjoy from all the real-time ideas, and mainly the most important thing, real-time education, explaining the 3 steps in trading I always follow. My analysis technique, my strategies applied in every single decision, and mainly the management. When and why do I intervene in my trades? All that explained in real time. So thank you very much for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach me out in the comment section or by my Telegram, by email. Myself and my team would be more than happy to help you out. I wish you a great trading week. Stay safe, be well. Thanks for your time watching, and I'll see you in more ideas during the week. Bye for now.